We are four sisters. Suzanne, she is the soulmate. When Suzanne asked Mama to cook this dish, she squeezed her shoulders. She closed her eyes. She always felt safe with this dish. Mama used to cook the spinach slowly in chicken broth until it became soft and silky. The house would smell warm like comfort. Suzanne loved the softness of the spinach, the warmth of the sauce, and she always added extra lemon because she loved that happiness of acidity. The chicken was tender and rich, and the rice with the shariya was golden and fluffy in the base. Today, I cook it the same way. Spinach gently simmered in chicken stock, breast rolled and sliced, thigh grilled for deeper flavor, rice cooked separately for perfect grains, and chickpeas roasted for texture. Same dish, same memory. This is Suzanne's favorite, and Suzanne is my favorite. Enjoy.